The kitchen renovation project was finally underway, with the focus now on the hardwood flooring installation. The homeowners had chosen a rich, dark wood to complement the marble countertops and tile backsplash. The flooring contractor carefully measured and cut each plank, ensuring a precise fit around the cabinets and appliances. The sound of saws and hammers filled the air as the new floor began to take shape. As the planks were laid down, the natural beauty of the wood grain was revealed, adding warmth and character to the space. The contrast between the dark wood and the light marble and tile created a striking visual impact, giving the kitchen a modern yet timeless feel. The installation process was meticulous, with each plank carefully aligned and secured in place. The contractor paid close attention to detail, ensuring every seam was seamless and every corner was perfectly squared off. The result was a flawless finish that transformed the kitchen into a showpiece. With the hardwood flooring in place, the homeowners could already envision the finished product. The combination of wood, marble, and tile created a harmonious blend of textures and colors, turning the kitchen into a space that was both functional and beautiful. The installation was a success, and the homeowners couldn't wait to start cooking in their newly renovated kitchen.